Hello guys, what is going on? So today, me and Joel, we just drove up to Norfolk so he could buy a exhaust for his Corsa. What brand is this, Joel?
Cobra.
It's a Cobra exhaust. I'll show you what it looks like. I don't really know much about it. It's all stainless. It looks pretty good, and obviously it's going to delete the muffler that's under his Corsa. Yeah, pretty decent sized muffler. So hopefully we're going to make his Corsa a little bit louder. So we're probably going to start it up, give you guys like a before and an after or whatever, and we're going to jack up the car and put the exhaust on.
You hold my hand while you drive, it's another one of those nights. You ask me what's wrong, and I don't tell you why. Do you feel the panic that I feel? 'Cause we both know we're running out of time. It's such a human thing to understand.
Yeah, you can probably get in here and film it if I'm working this angle, can't you?
It's me or nothing now. I can't wait the wait. It's me or nothing now. 'Cause I'm a fucking fool for you. I'm a fucking fool for you. You say that you want this, so why are you giving me?
I'm just going to bring this straight up to it.
What's that?
Looking good.
Let's tighten up well.
I should turn it on now and check for leaks.
Oh, I'm good. Fuck, we're good, Ollie.
There's no hole.
No hole.
You're joking.
Nope.
What the hell?
Oh, you need to go get a Coke can. I'm a fool. You say that you want this, that's why you believe in me. I'm a fool for
So we just finished the exhaust. It was mega easy, literally just one bolt on it.
Yeah, it's quite.
Just a clamp.
Just a nice clamp. A little bit of sealant, but
Yeah, it was quite hard to get the original one out, but you can just wiggle it out, chuck the new one in. Just, yeah, this might be quite a short video, but that's why, just because it's so easy. But yeah, we're now going to take for a test drive and see how much louder it is.
and it is louder, but it's not obnoxious, is it?
Yeah, it's just a little bit louder. That's quite nice, isn't it?
That does sound good.
That does sound nicer though.
That does sound good down that tunnel.
Yeah. So Joel's just dropped us off. We're going to do a quick flyby just to see how it sounds from the outside. That does sound a lot nicer. From the outside, it is still quite a subtle noise, but the tone has changed so much. It does sound really nice from the outside. But yeah, I think I'm going to end this video here. It's probably quite short, but yeah, that is how you change the exhaust on a Corsa 1.4 Black Edition. It does sound pretty good. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Why you do it?